What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Blackview Tab 11 with phone functionality. Like you can make phone calls with this tablet. Anyway, that's another thing, we will talk about that. We will check the features, we will check everything, but before that, this is a review unit. They have given it to me for free. They didn't pay me for this video, and what you are watching is what they are watching. I mean, they didn't have any chance to watch this video ahead of you. Actually, this is a new tablet from Blackview, and even before it was released, I have heard about this one from some of my friends, and I have reached out to this brand and asked for a tablet. They were kind enough, they have sent me a review unit, and here goes my honest opinion. I don't know whether they will like it or not, but I'm here to share my honest opinion. Let's see what transpires through this review video. But at the beginning, we have to start from unboxing, and before that, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Share the love. Let's start from unboxing. Okay, after opening the box, after opening the lid, the first thing you will notice is the tablet, and they have a paper where it says 10.36 Full HD Plus IPS full angle display, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, 6580 mAh battery, front camera 8 megapixel, rear camera 13 megapixel. Wow, they have provided a case, protective case with this tablet. Yeah, that's cool. Let's put the tablet aside. Let's see what else we have. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Wow, they have a USB-C to USB-A dongle, a Blackview charger, user manual, and a SIM ejector tool. As I have mentioned earlier, this one can be used as a phone. You can insert a SIM card, not only to use 4G connectivity, but also to make phone calls and receive phone calls. Well, let's put all these aside and let's check how is the tablet. Okay, here goes the Blackview Tab 11. In hand, it feels good. In hand, it doesn't feel that premium, and we have to understand that it's not a premium product, but overall, yeah, it feels good. At the bottom there is this stereo speakers. Yeah, this one comes with stereo speaker setup. It seems like there are two microphones at the bottom and there is a connection port. Interesting enough, there is nothing at the bottom. SIM tray is on the right side. This is a hybrid SIM tray. You can use a SIM card and a microSD card. USB-C port, power button, and volume rockers are on the top. Wow. Yeah, the total design, it seems a bit new, and there is a 3.5mm port on the top right corner. That's great. I'm actually more interested in the performance. Let's check the display performance and speaker performance, and then we will talk about SoC.
Long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
In display settings, almost all the necessary and usual features are there. Adaptive brightness, screen timeout, eye comfort, dark theme. Wow, the dark theme works perfectly fine. Okay, this one doesn't go beyond 60Hz refresh rate. You cannot even ask for too much when you are not paying too much. I think 60Hz is okay. Another thing I must mention about this display is this one comes with Widevine L1 certification. That's really a nice thing. Okay, as I've been talking about SoC, this one comes with a Uni SoC. And the processor of this tablet is not like a very powerful. There are 6 efficiency cores and 2 performance cores. I have already tried Geekbench 5 and the result is okay. It's not too much and it's not that bad. 381 single core score, 1287 multi-core score. There is no fingerprint sensor, but there is face unlock option. This face unlock option works fast when it works, but it's not that smooth. I really had better expectation. Maybe I'm expecting too much from a budget device. Now the question is, can we play games? How long does it take to load games? Okay, I'm gonna play Shadow Fight 3 for a while. Let's see how it performs. Well, if you wanna play PUBG, Call of Duty, then you have to sacrifice a lot of graphics. And if you wanna play for a long time, then maybe after hours you will see a bit of a thermal throttling. But usually it doesn't have any type of thermal throttling. I'm pretty happy with the performance. But definitely I'm not gonna recommend this type of pads or tablets for gaming. These are actually for day-to-day use and occasional gaming. Call reception, call quality, network reception, network quality, network speed, everything is good. I didn't find anything to complain about, but network speed could have been a bit better. One thing I really like about this tablet is this one comes with stock Android. I mean, Chinese brands, all the Chinese brands have their own skin, so I really enjoy using this one. UI, I mean user interface, user experience, everything is really great. Even if this one comes with a front camera and a rear camera, I'm not gonna talk about camera performance. Yes, if you wanna take photos, you can take photos, but those photos are no way comparable to other smartphone photos. I mean, I have Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 and even Mi Pad camera isn't that good. So I think talking about camera performance would be waste of time. Okay, we have talked about the features, we have checked its performance, and before the verdict, I wanna mention 4 other things. Maybe I have mentioned this earlier. Number 1, stock Android. Yes, it's pretty difficult to find stock Android from any Chinese brands. Number 2, this is no way a gaming tablet, so if you are thinking about to buy a tablet to do some hardcore gaming, then this isn't for you. Number 3, battery life. This one offers better battery life than Xiaomi Mi Pad 5. That one have a humongous battery, but this one with a smaller battery size offers longer screen on time. Number 4, this one is really affordable, and this one comes with its own free protective case. That's really cool. That's a good touch, and all the accessories, even a dongle is added inside the box. So considering the price, this one offers better value for money than many other tablets available in the market. If you wanna get something entry level, then definitely within its price range, this one is one of the best. But if you wanna get something premium, then I cannot recommend it to you. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you wanna watch more videos like this, then please subscribe and share the love. Stay tuned.